So what's the difference between all these cantilever mounts? All these mounts are designed to properly hold your optic at the right sight height and distance from your eye on flat top platforms. The biggest difference between all of them comes down to the overall quality and machining tolerance of the ring surfaces. The higher end you go, the more reliably, accurately, and ruggedly that mount will be holding your optic and the mount itself to the rifle. The Sport Cantilever mount is your basic get-it-done mount that isn't going to break the bank. It comes in a 1-inch or 30mm option for your AR-15 or other similar platform. The Pro Cantilever mount is your next step up and is really popular with competitive shooters and anybody else looking to take their rifle and optic combination out of just the traditional plinking at the range. It has this low profile mounting surface to the rifle, so it gives you more flexibility as to where you can mount the rifle scope and mount forward and backward on the rifle. These Pro mounts can be found in 1-inch, 30mm, or 34mm configurations. The Precision Cantilever mount is the best of the best when it comes to these mounts. It's going to hold your scope the most accurately and reliably, and it's super durable. You can also get it with a 0 MOA setup, which is a more traditional setup, or for shooting longer range, you can get it with a built-in 20 MOA can to the mount itself. You can also find these in 30mm and 34mm configurations with the 0 or 20 MOA can. Similar in terms of quality and durability to our Precision Extended Cantilever mount, we have our Precision Quick Release mount, which you can get in 30mm and with 0 MOA of can. The quick release levers allow you to switch this mount and your scope back and forth between various different firearms for people who have one optic that they like to use on a multitude of platforms.
The Aero Precision Ultralight SPR scope mount's rigid and cut-down design rids the mount of any unnecessary bulk, making it one of the lightest in the industry. The SPR designation stands for Special Project Rifle, meaning these scope mounts are a perfect complement to any high-end optic. They're made from 6061 T6 extruded aluminum for long service life and fit mil-spec 1913 Picatinny rails. The cantilever design pushes the rear ring forward 2 inches, offering extra eye relief and making them perfect for use on AR-style rifles. The scope mounts are available with 30mm diameter rings and can be had in black, flat dark earth, or OD green. And like all products sold by Brownells, the Aero Precision Ultralight Extended Scope mounts are backed by our 100% unconditional forever satisfaction guarantee.